Hi, how are you? It's Matt Roulette over at MarineMax Danvers. Today, I'm going to go over a 2021 220 Sailfish. Come on up, we'll get aboard. Now, this one is powered by the Yamaha 200, great engine. And if you notice, as I walked in, you go right through. You got the transom fusion controls right there. Pretty cool if you're hanging out at the sandbar. As you come on board, you'll see we equipped this one, okay, with Garmin, Yamaha vessel control view, and then also fusion stereo right there, Bluetooth capable. Back here, you'll see you can get the jump seat. You can also install the jump seat on this side as well. Very nice. LP2 leaning posts. Pretty popular. You're gonna walk through to the bow. You can notice just right away, right when you're in this boat, the gunnels are very high, it's safe. Check out the size of this head, very deep. One of my favorite things about the Sailfish is you can actually twist this up and it creates a backrest for a great seat. Now underneath this seat also turns into a cooler. You get one right here and you get one right here. Beverages or even the catch of the day. This seat right here, standard. Just a quick walkthrough on the Sailfish. If you have any more questions, feel free to give me a call, Matt Roulette, 603-320-5524. Thanks. Bye-bye.